outdoor lights. You guys, super excited for these. I feel like these are just something that is so in right now. You don't have to worry about putting Christmas lights up. And also the best thing is you can have these up for any season. So you put them up once and you can change it for Valentine's Day, St. Patty's Day, Halloween, your birthday, like really anything, 4th of July, anything you want. Okay, so this is what you get, 200 feet. All right, you can see the cord right there. All right, so each of these have already a sticky piece. All you have to do is like just take off that sticky piece right here. Hold on, there we go, peel that off. But it also comes with all the screws. These, you can see that there's 4 holes that you're gonna be able to also screw it in. And then you also have like that sticky piece. You can see they are nice and flat, so that way they're gonna be very discreet. All right, so you have plenty of the screws. You even have the screwdriver, and you also have the remote, and there's even gonna be an app. All right, so you can see all it is just up there, just with that sticky piece. And then your next step is going to be to download the app. And so you can scan the QR code, but also it's nice that you're going to be able to use the remote as well. So depending on what you want to do, you can use a mix of both. These lights are going to be IP68, which is going to be great because that means they're going to be waterproof. So that way they're going to be able to stay up all year round. You're going to be able to switch between 16 million different colors. So there's already going to be kind of installed different ones on there, from warm white to cool white, to also being able to set different modes right here on the controller. Then on the app, you're going to just be able to click exactly what color you want, super easy. But the one thing with the app is there's going to be so many more things that you're going to be able to utilize with this. There's even going to be a rhythm, so that way you're going to be able to set it and it's going to be able to go with the music that's going on. And then there's going to be, like I said, preset ones on here, different themes, different scenes that you're going to be able to utilize, whether it's Christmas, and this one is a sunset, so you're going to be able to set it for 4th of July. There's going to be so many different things that you're going to be able to use, even a disco, to have like all different colors and kind of having it flashing and doing a strobe. And then when you're in this, you're also going to be able to change the time. And so you're going to be able to set a schedule. This is my favorite part with this. So you're going to be able to have it turn on at a certain time, and you're going to be able to set if you wanted to repeat like every single day, certain days of the week. And then you're going to also be able to set what time you want it to be able to turn off. And that also means that you don't have to be at home. So I can be far away and all of a sudden realize, oh my gosh, I left my lights on, or I don't have my lights on, and I'm going to be able to go right to the app to be able to turn it on, which is probably one of my other favorite things, that you can control it literally just from your phone. So this is one of the candy cane ones, but like I said, there's so many different scenes. So you guys are only seeing just of like a little glimmer into like all the things that this app like has to offer. And you can see even the kids absolutely love this.
Then do this one. Do the bottom one. That's so cool. I know. That's so cool.
And so this came with 3 strands that you're able to connect together. And so for all of this, you guys, we only use 2 out of the 3 strands. So that way it makes it nice that you're going to be able to connect them together to make it even larger, up to 400 feet. This is going to be energy saving with a 24-volt power. They're going to be eco-friendly and also have a nice 10-year lifespan. They're going to last 50,000 plus hours. So that way it's going to be great, like I said, for many different scenes out there. And that way you can use it for all the different holidays and just days that you want to be able to have some lights going on your house along with the whole Christmas season. The other cool thing with this is you're going to be able to connect it to like your Alexa or even like your Google Voice.
No, it's just noise.
Oh, they went off. Wow.
Oh!
Okay, so you can see they are up, and it's so nice because you have the app and you also have the remote control that you're going to be able to change it to so many different things. So overall, definitely satisfied with these and would recommend going out and getting them.